Welcome to the Befriend course, where we unravel the mysteries of social interaction and empower you to forge meaningful connections with strangers. Today, we embark on a journey to demystify the art of starting conversations effortlessly, transforming chance encounters into potential friendships. Join me as we explore 5 simple yet powerful steps to initiate conversations and build bridges with those around us. Step 1. Proximity and eye contact. Picture this. You're at a bustling cafe, surrounded by strangers engrossed in their own worlds. How do you break through this invisible barrier and spark a conversation? Proximity and eye contact are your allies in this endeavor. Maintain awareness of those around you, and when the opportunity arises, make brief eye contact with someone nearby. This subtle gesture signals openness and invites interaction. Step 2. The icebreaker question. With eye contact established, it's time to break the ice. Keep it simple yet engaging. Where are you from? This timeless question serves as a gateway to deeper conversation, transcending cultural barriers with ease. Remember, the key is not just in asking the question, but in genuinely listening to the response, fostering an atmosphere of mutual respect and curiosity. Step 3. Share and learn. Now that the conversation is underway, seize the opportunity to share something about yourself or inquire about the other person's background. Perhaps you have a fascinating tidbit of knowledge about their hometown or a burning question about their cultural traditions. By expressing genuine interest in their story, you lay the foundation for a meaningful connection built on understanding and empathy. Example: imagine striking up a conversation with Maria, who hails from Argentina. Intrigued by her accent, you inquire about her hometown, sparking a lively discussion about Argentine cuisine and cultural landmarks. In return, Maria shares her passion for tango dancing, inviting you to join her for a lesson. Through this exchange, you not only learn about Argentina, but also forge a budding friendship grounded in shared interests. Step 4. Extend the invitation. As the conversation unfolds, gauge the chemistry between you and your newfound acquaintance. If the rapport is palpable and you find yourself enjoying their company, don't hesitate to take the next step. Extend a simple invitation to hang out, whether it's grabbing coffee or exploring a local art exhibit. Remember, genuine connections are forged through shared experiences and shared laughter. Step 5. The power of names. As you bid farewell, don't forget the simplest yet most powerful tool in your arsenal: their name. Make a mental note of it and use it the next time you see them. This small gesture demonstrates genuine interest and leaves a lasting impression, paving the way for future interactions and deeper connections. Conclusion: in the realm of social interaction, starting conversations with strangers may seem daunting, but armed with the right tools and mindset, it becomes a gateway to endless possibilities. By following these 5 simple steps: proximity, eye contact, the icebreaker question, sharing and learning, extending invitations, and remembering names, you can transform chance encounters into meaningful connections and potential friendships. Stay tuned for future episodes of the Befriend course, where we delve deeper into the nuances of social skills and friendship building, unlocking the secrets to a more connected and fulfilling life.